What's up, what's up, what's up? Now I'm gonna give you guys a fair warning from now. My allergies is whipping my behind. Like, it's no joke. So I'm warning you guys from now so that if you guys see me blowing my nose or if you see something on my face, let me know. Well, still, let me know. Shit, I need all the help I could get. Don't diss me, help a brother out. Just let me know, yo, DJ, you got something right here. Right here. See, I got it. All because of you. But let's get this day started. You know what we doing today? Oh, I got my box of tissues too. But you know what we doing today? Helping this man out right here. You heard? He wants to know if he can sit in the back seat of your vehicle.
You want to sit in the back?
The back seat. Oh yeah.
Bro, you're not gonna fit.
With that being said. Alright, so we just dropped the car off. The car had to be dropped off because I guess there's two people ahead of him. And this man right here is hungry. So he wants to walk to go get some food. In the meantime, between time though, he sprained his ankle. And so we're about to walk. What are you doing? It's a what? This man is running. Yo, look at the 350. So this gentleman right here got the same car. I'm gonna sit right here.
I like that.
All right, here goes nothing. No, it doesn't.
It does something.
No, it doesn't.
I guarantee you.
So we just pulled up to Street Work Automotive. I came to check on my car, also do a couple of payments. If you guys don't know, my G37 is not in the shop because I blew the engine, or the engine seized up. You can go if you want. I didn't vlog anything. You wanna go that way? Yeah, I didn't vlog anything because I really just wanted to talk to Raul to get everything down. If you guys ever need any tuning work, pull up here. They got all types of car here. Anything from AMG C63 to R34 GTR, R33, Evo, 370s, G37s. They have it all. Oh, motherfucker. So if you guys need anything, just pull up to them. They'll handle you guys. Just let them know Midnight Elite sent you. Tell them DJ sent you. productive day. We got his resignators deleted. I came to do a payment on my car, and I'm also gonna buy my engine when I get to the house.
And we got some food.
Oh, and you can never forget the food. We definitely got some food. But yeah, we're on our way back to the house. Once we get there, I'm gonna update you guys. But if I don't, this probably is the end of the video, because we're not really doing much tonight. There's no meets or anything. We're not going anywhere. So if we do, I'll definitely keep you guys posted and let you know though.